You heard me say it before. The single best day is sea trial day. And today, we get to sea trial not one, but two Metan Boston Whaler refit of this 1993 21 Outrage, and soon to come around the corner, this is a 1990 Metan Boston Whaler 18. Family heirloom, all the way from Lake Champlain.